specialized tablet for all types of air conditioner maintenance. Opening a new era of efficient service. Air conditioner maintenance and after-sales work. We often face the dilemmas of difficult software adaptation and lengthy debugging. For different brands and models, there are corresponding different debugging software. WHE. Maintenance technicians rush to the site. They not only have to carry a large number of devices, but also have to switch between laptops repeatedly for debugging. This not only reduces efficiency, but also easily causes the miss of customers' maintenance needs, leading to a decline in customer satisfaction. Now, a professional tablet, specially designed for air conditioner maintenance personnel has been launched, directly hitting the industry pain point, and opening a new era of efficient air conditioner maintenance and after-sales services. Integration of software from all brands, solving all problems with one device's tablet integrates the debugging software for multi-connected air conditioners of major brands in the market, whether it's domestic giants like Gree, Midea, Haier, or international brands like Daikin, Mitsubishi Electric, and Hitachi. All the debugging programs are pre-installed at the same time. For screw machines and centrifugal machines, it also includes the special debugging software systems of multiple individual brands, with a wide coverage and strong compatibility. From now on, maintenance technicians longer need to worry about finding suitable software or installing and debugging the environment. With just one tablet, they can easily handle the maintenance and debugging work of various air conditioning equipment, greatly improving work efficiency. 2. Professionally customized system, convenient and smooth operation. The system is deeply customized based on the Android platform, with a simple and intuitive interface, and the operation logic conforms to the daily work habits of maintenance personnel. Even for first-time users, they can quickly get started. Meanwhile, the system has been optimized to run stably and smoothly, even when multiple debugging software are opened simultaneously. There will be no problems, such as lagging or crashing. With a powerful hardware configuration, equipped with a high-performance processor and large-capacity memory, it ensures that complex debugging tasks can be handled with ease, making the maintenance work more smooth and efficient. 3. Rich and practical functions, meeting diverse needs. Offline use. No fear of network limitations. The software supports offline use. In remote areas with poor network signals or no network, maintenance technicians can still carry out debugging work normally, no longer restricted by the network environment. Real-time data recording and analysis. It can record various data during the debugging process in real time, such as temperature, pressure, current, etc., and generate detailed data reports. Through the analysis of the data, maintenance technicians can quickly locate the cause of the fault, formulate accurate maintenance plans, and improve the success rate of maintenance. Remote assistance. Expert online guidance. It has a built-in remote assistance function. When encountering difficult problems, maintenance technicians can initiate a remote assistance request with one click and invite experts. For online guidance, experts can view the debugging data and on-site situations in real time, conduct remote operation demonstrations, and provide professional solutions, effectively solving technical problems in the maintenance process. Maintenance case library. Learning experience at any time. It has a rich, built-in maintenance case library, covering various air conditioner fault cases and solutions. Maintenance technicians can learn at any time during their spare time, accumulate experience, and improve their technical level. At the same time, they can also share their own maintenance experience in the case library, communicate and learn with peers, and make progress together. 4. Durable design, adapting to complex working environments. Considering the particularity of air conditioner maintenance work, the tablet is designed to be durable, with functions of being waterproof, dustproof, and drop resistant, and it can adapt to various harsh working environments. Whether it's outdoor work in high temperature and heat, or the humid and messy environment of the machine room, the tablet can run stably, providing reliable guarantee for the maintenance work. At the same time, it is equipped with a large capacity battery, with strong battery life, which can meet the work needs for a whole day without frequent charging, allowing maintenance technicians to focus on their work without worries. V. High-quality after-sales service, more reassuring use. We provide comprehensive after-sales service for every user. After purchase, we will provide professional training services to help maintenance technicians quickly familiarize themselves with the usage methods and various functions of the tablet. At the same time, we have a professional technical support team that responds online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and promptly solves various problems encountered by users during the use process. In addition, we also provide free software upgrade services, regularly updating the debugging software and system functions to ensure that the tablet always maintains the best performance and meets the changing maintenance needs. Choosing this professional air conditioner maintenance tablet means choosing an efficient, convenient, and professional maintenance service experience. It will become a powerful assistant in your maintenance work, helping you improve work efficiency, win customer trust, and stand out in the highly competitive air conditioner maintenance market. Limited quantity, first come, first served. For consultation, scan the QR code on the screen to contact us.